stage our Chief of Staff of the Office of Director of the Basic Education, Ma'am Asmin Sangka, for the presentation of 2024 Gawad Parangal nominees and 2021 Gawad Siklam awardees. A round of applause, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable dignitaries and respected guests, we have here the Director General for Basic Education, Sir Abdullah B. Salik Jr., my boss, sir. We also have the OIC Schools Division Superintendent of the Schools Division of Cotabato City, Ma'am Bayro Hana Siliswa, ma'am. Our four Bureau Directors present, Sir Johnny Balawag of the Bureau of Basic Education, Dr. Yusuf Tong Mamito of the Bureau of Physical Education and Sports Development. We also have Dr. Daud Dicador of the Bureau of Alternative Learning System, and last but not the least, the only lady among the four Bureau Directors we have in the Director General for Basic Education, Ma'am Judith Caballero of the Bureau of Indigenous Peoples Education, Division and Section Chiefs, other colleagues from both main and division offices, including the Division Youth Formation Coordinators, awards recipients and nominees. Once again, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Good afternoon po sa ating lahat. I am very happy to be here to join all of you in celebrating the achievements of our outstanding program implementers, student leaders, teacher advisors, school heads, and Division Youth Formation Coordinators today. I would also like to extend my congratulations to all those who have been instrumental for them to win these recognitions, such as their respective parents, teachers, school leaders, and the larger community. Ladies and gentlemen, the following are the 2024 Gawad Parangal nominees to receive plaques of recognition, certificates, and cash prizes. From the Schools Division of Basilan, we have Pairan Elementary School, Tausan Elementary School, Tipo National High School, Sumisip Agro-Fisheries High School, Buton National High School, Maluso Central Elementary School, Al-Fazla Sahaw, Hadar Hajiran, Siti Naraisa A. Humana of Akbar National High School, Wadud M. Abula, Mazmin Bapora, Saharul Ana Nawal, Shena Musa, Sadia B. Sangkalahan, Sukri H. Halim, Alsmidi Adala, Renelin I. Ruiz, Hoven S. Hagong, Mariam B. Alauddin, Nada B. Abdul Salam, and last but not the least, Alan S. Luna. So those are our nominees from the Schools Division of Basilan. Palakpakan po natin sila. Isa po sa kanila ang mag-receive ng ating mga awards na nakikita natin dito sa ating harapan, the plaques and the certificates and also cash prizes. We also have from the Schools Division Office of Cotabato City, starting off with Cotabato City Central Pilot School, National Village Central Elementary School, PC Hill Elementary School, Cotabato City Bangsamoro Standalone Senior High School, Canizares National High School, Cotabato City National High School Main Campus, Mandanas Elementary School, Cotabato City National High School Rojas, Alinadir K. Angel, Jean R. Batong, Jacob B. Barroso from the Canizares National High School, Jasper C. Basilio, Abdul Kader M. Al-Sufi, Michelle Sarzaba, Diana de Rosa, Ferdausa L. Caballo, Jennifer B. Daco, Romel Sevilla, Shafa L. Gianni, by Israelin Siswat Datukan, Diana D. Angay, Milpa S. Rial, Haname B. Ramos, Fayad J. Bugdana, Marlene Liza Jail, Milha D. Dahandal, Hanisa M. Malabon, Ben S. Asidi, Jayhan F. Muhammad, Haja U. Asakil, Maria L. Navang. I hope ito po silang lahat is nandito to receive their plaques of recognition and the certificates. Nandito ba ang lahat? From Lamitan City, kaway-kaway. Ayan, nandyan sila sa gitna. Alright, we also have from the Schools Division Office of Maguindano del Norte, Mojahid P. Omar, Sir American Icon. And then from Schools Division Office of Special Geographic Area, we have Ganasi Elementary School by Ali Tagal, Sandra S. Abe, Gemma C. Cantomayor, and Ma'am Royda B. Pandulo. Moreover, awardees of the Gawad Siklab 2021 are hereby invited to accept their awards for plaques of recognitions and certificates. The following are the Gawad Siklab 2021 awardees. So this was the time of the pandemic, right? And we only have this time, we only got this chance to award them their plaques of recognitions and certificates. Hindi pa naman huli ang lahat. From the Schools Division Office of Cotabato City, we have Amiron Elementary School, Notre Dame Village Elementary School, Darping Elementary School, Cotabato City National High School Main, Notre Dame Village National High School, CCNHS LR Sebastian Site, J. Marquez National High School. Jean R. Batong from Notre Dame Village Central Elementary School, Riza Elaine S. Cubo from Notre Dame Village Central Elementary School, Aida T. Dimen from Kimpo Elementary School, Michael Hamza D. Mustafa, also from Notre Dame Village National High School, Ma'am Norhaina A. Siswat, Notre Dame Village National High School, and Dr. Yusutong Amino, the then principal of Notre Dame Village National High School. Also from Cotabato City, Dr. Farouk Siang Patuan, from Cotabato City National High School Main Campus, Mary Jane B. Completano from Cotabato City National High School Main, Aida Iginan from Kimpo Elementary School, Manuel A. Lizondra from Cotabato National High School Main Campus, Fe and Martin from Cotabato City National High School Main Campus, also from Cotabato City National High School Main Campus, the late Dr. Panfilo O. Sidenio, and Gomercindo Corcueva Jr. From Maguindano del Norte, we have Solon National High School for the Mga Dios Award. Also receiving an award is the Armed Regional Science High School for Mga Tao. Also sulong yung bigyan ng Mga Kalikasan Award and Makabansa Award. Gawad Parangal Siklab Award will also be received by Ibrahim Isawal of Sulun National High School, Jeddah M. Balabagan, also from Sulun National High School, Luna L. Silam from Sulun National High School, and Sulun National High School will also be receiving the ESO Implementer Award. Abdul Rajab Aylayagin from Parang National High School, Rani K. Mama from Sulun National High School, Luna L. Slan, Sulun National High School. Asan ang sunod dito? Makakaward Ayan, congratulations in advance. Palapakan po natin. At mag-receive din sila ng Gulayan sa Paralan Program, Best Implementer, and the Best Barkada Contra Droga Implementer. Sulun National High School, Jolhar A. Paramata will also be getting an award. Hasmin G. Andalog, also Sulun National High School, Luna L. Slan from Sulun National High School, American Aitan, the Division Youth Formation Coordinator, Ulami Elementary School for Makadi Barrios, Balagtasan Elementary School, Makakalikasan, B. Aldanas Central Elementary School, Makatao, Haja U. Asakira, B. Aldanas Central Elementary School, Olame Elementary School, Bilpa S. Uyag, Helen B. Garcia, Villa Asuncion National High School, Ben S. Asadina Jose, Rizal Elementary School, Santa Clara Central Elementary School for Gulayan sa Paaralang Program, that's implementer. Parang may nasabi dito from Lamitan City. Maguindanao ang nakalagay dito. Okay, we have two from Marawi City. Rahima C. Malatos for Teacher Advisor. Jonaisa S. Aguroo for Student Leader. We also have Sahaya M. Jamail Idris, Farhan M. Makapandi, Rayhana Natangko, Nuriman H. Almore, Jamaira L. Natangko, Aisa A. Abdul Jawar, Khadija Benito, Neshri and Abdul from SDO Lano del Sur 1 and 2 from SGA, Asliya Yupindaton, Junadine Sulaiman. So that would be all. Once again, congratulations to everyone and I wish you all the very best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Sangka, for the presentation of the 2024 Gawad Paragana nominees and 2021 Gawad